Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's a beautiful buttercream stencil footline cake. If you guys want to see how I made this, we'll keep on watching. So this cake was a 6-inch cake that I stacked like I would normally would. So I did my crumb coat and then my second coat of buttercream. And then what I did is that I used this beautiful stencil right here. Love, love, love this stencil. So pretty. It will be linked in my description box in my video. So by the way, everything that I use, or I try to link everything that I use, will be linked in my description box in almost all my videos. So if you guys want to know like what I use, just go to my description box and mostly you're gonna see it, it's there. So I used black buttercream to do that. And to do black buttercream, it's super simple. Sometimes we think we're just gonna add and add and add food coloring. No, don't do that. It's just gonna taste very chemicals and you don't want that. Basically what you're gonna do is just take, and for this you don't need a whole lot. So you're gonna take a bowl, you're gonna put buttercream in it, and you're gonna add cocoa powder. You're gonna mix it. So what that's going to do is gonna tint your buttercream brown. So by tinting it brown, you're already cutting down all the shades that your buttercream needs to get to black. So it helps your butter, and it tastes way much better than just adding a bunch of ink in there. So once you have your brown buttercream, you can go ahead and add your either black powder food coloring or your gel food coloring, and then you just add it, and then that's it. It will become black. That's how I do it. So there's a lot of other techniques out there. I saw on TikTok they were doing it in a microwave and then putting it in a fridge. I don't know, it's a little bit too complicated for me, but if it works, it works. I haven't tried it, so I don't want to say anything, but for me, I just take the buttercream, add cocoa powder, and then add some food coloring, and I get my beautiful black. And then what I did, I piped buttercream at the bottom and at the top, leaving a gap in the middle. And you don't want to do it like even. It's okay that it's not even. It actually gives it a nicer look to it, I find. And then once you have that, just go ahead and scrape it off, make everything nice and even and crisp, and clean out the top, and there you go. And then just to finish the look, because I'm extra like that, I use edible foil, and then I just glued it at the top and at the bottom of the opening. But you don't have to do that. You can also use edible metallic paint, or even just leave it the way that it is, plain and simple. It will be nice as well. And then finish the top with beautiful flowers, and that was it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. I really find that it was such a beautiful, sophisticated cake, very modernish look. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.